Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are good and doing well with your family. I hope you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty God. This is AG Sir, lecturer, Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. And today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 8, Excretory System. The topics that we're going to discuss today is excretion and human excretory system. So let's start the class. Excretion. The term excretion includes all the process of removing the waste products derived from the cellular metabolism. And these waste products could be some nitrogenous products that is producing inside of our body during metabolism. Excretion is a biological process. It's a biological process that is occurring in our body, not in our body, but also in all uh, animals' body to maintain homeostasis. And if you ask me, what is homeostasis? Homeostasis refers to the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment, such as regulating hormones, body temperature, water balance inside of the body. That means the keeping everything stable inside of our body is called homeostasis. That means by excreting, we are controlling this homeostasis process. So, excretion, there is a process by which animals get rid of waste products and of the nitrogenous by products of metabolism. That means this process can be done by lungs, kidneys, skin, and also our large intestines. And this is a very important part of all kinds of life to excrete the harmful, unnecessary, or excess waste elements that is producing inside of our body. So that is what excretion is. I hope you have understood what I wanted to say. So let's jump to our next topic. Our next topic is human excretory system. So it's also a biological system that helps us to remove those excess or unnecessary compounds that is producing inside of our body during metabolism. And this system, this excretory system, also helps us to keep the homeostasis process inside of our body, or prevent us to prevent us to not to damage our body. Okay. And this kind of human excretory system also includes kidney, large intestine, liver, skin, as lungs, as I said. But it's mainly includes our urinary system. Urinary system, you can see in the diagram, there are two kidneys, two ureter that comes out from the kidney, take out of the urine from kidney and stores it urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a kind of bag that stores urine, and urethra is a kind of tube that actually throughout this urine or unnecessary elements from out of our body. So these are the excretory system. So excretory system is a system that includes some organs that helps us to get rid of this unnecessary or excess or harmful elements out of our body. So I hope you have enjoyed the class. That was the topics we are going to discuss today. Uh, if you have any kind of confusion or difficulties to understand the class, please let me know by doing comment in the comment section, or you can directly message me. And please, guys, please stay home, try to be safe, and if there is any urgency, you want to go outside, please wear a mask. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.